This time we'll talk about how to run a IO MySQL in Google Colab. So IO MySQL is a Python module that uh, run the MySQL database to query it and to manipulate the data. Okay, let's start from the beginning. The first step, we install the module via pip. The Python module is downloaded. Okay, it's done. Then the second step, we import the Python module, the IO MySQL that we've installed in the first step. Next, we will connect to database. Okay, please ensure that MySQL already run in your system. In this case is in Google Colab. After you install, you run it, then we define it in here. Let's say we use the localhost and set the user. We set root and your password that you install MySQL. Okay, then you define the char set, the character set, and then the DB name. In this case, we connect to the Colab test. Okay, we execute this, done. Then next step, we set database connection cursor. Okay, done. Then we try to see the version. We try to query the version, the database version. Yes, MariaDB, Ubuntu, and Ubuntu OS system, because we installed it from the Ubuntu repo. Okay, next is we try to the query to drop the table if exists. Let's say database, the, the table test. Okay, because we don't have the database, the table test, so this the result is unknown. Okay, next we will create the table. We create the table name test with the column ID as integer, set as primary key. Okay, and auto increment, and then the second column we set it the column as varchar, the name, the column name is varchar 0, and with the type is varchar, and the size is 255. Okay, it's done. Then we will, next step, we will create the index for the table test that we create before. We name the index as idx underscore test. You can rename everything, we just show you how to do it. And then the column name. Okay, we execute this. Okay, seems done. If you want, you can, next is to show the tables in the Colab test database. Here, this is the table that we create on the previous step. Okay, next we will try to describe the table. Describe the table test. Here, the ID column with the type integer. Okay, it's primary key. Okay, auto increment, and then the next column is varchar 0 underscore 0 with the type is varchar and the size is 255. Okay, next we will insert data to table. We execute this insert into table name. In this case, we name it test with the value 1 as the ID column and the varchar 0 for the varchar 0 column. Okay, we execute this. Okay, seems done. Next, we will try to select the ID column, limit by 1, data from the table test that we create before. We sort by ID column, so sort descending sort. Okay, we execute this, and here's the result. Okay, next is we select all from table test. Here's the query, then we execute this. Here's this. This is the ID and the varchar column. Okay, next we will update the data that match with the ID column. We update the data from the test table. We update the varchar column. Well, that match with the ID number 1. Okay, we execute this query. Okay, seems done. Then we will see the updated that we execute on the previous step. Here is we started. Okay, it seems done. This is the ID 1, same, and then this is the value that we execute, same it. Okay, next we will try to delete the data from table that match with ID column, which is 1. From the table test we delete it. Okay, we execute. Okay, seems done. Next is we close the database connection. Okay, seems done. That's the content of how to run IO MySQL in Google Colab. Thank you very much and have a great day.